down there.
Yeah, I know. I saw them.
Oh, this jumping.
I saw them when me and Miko went down the down to the river, and yeah, there's yeah, we saw like huge splashes, and yeah, it was awesome.
Anything big? Did it look like big fish, or did it look like just little fish jumping?
Big fish, probably.
Big fish.
We didn't actually see the fish, but we saw like huge splashes.
We should take popping plugs down there and see if there's bluefish around.
Yeah.
They're a lot of fun to catch. They go crazy when you catch them. A lot of times they'll start jumping and shaking their head, and you get really crazy.
I always wanted to try to catch a fish with my bare hands.
Bluefish is not the fish. Try it with though, just because their teeth are so big. Let's try down this side of the trees.
Okay.
Let's see if the raspberries are good.
Hope they are.
There used to be a lot of raspberries here. They really died back a lot. Wonder what happened to them.
Yeah, that's sad.
Well, that's a bummer.
Huh?
Go check out the rest of the place. Hopefully the raspberries elsewhere are doing good. Yeah, this road here is a little bumpy.
What's that? What's that?
This road here is quite bumpy.
Yeah. No kidding. Oh.
No deer yet, huh?
Nope.
What are you playing?
I'm playing.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
So your video will be awesome because you'll come around the corner and
Yep.
see a deer or something.
Yeah. Hopefully.
No deer.
Nope.
Oh dear, no deer. Where are all of them this morning?
Probably deep in the woods. If we go into the woods, we'll probably find something.
Yeah, this early in the morning, they're usually out. They're usually out and about, running around eating, doing deer stuff.
Yeah. Their deer duties.
Really? They're really scarce.
That'd be fun for climbing, though.
Yeah, not that one though in particular, just because that one's all dead. So I just wouldn't trust it if you grab have like a small branch or something that's liable to break off.
Yeah.
Gary, the hay farmer, I think cut all the hay already on that field up there.
Yeah.
It's been so dry that the grass didn't really grow very good.
Maybe that's why the deer aren't out.
It could be, yeah. The grass has been kind of poopy. It's been growing really slow and really sparse.
Yeah. And
I'm so surprised we're not seeing any deer though.
yeah.
Usually at least a couple are out.
I remember when we went down this hill when Miko was here.
Yeah. This ATV is not quick enough to make it scary though.
Yeah.
The other ATV, it was pretty scary. But this one's easy. Come on, deer. Oh, deer. There's often deer in these woods, but I don't see any. So weird. I've been seeing a lot of coyotes around though, so that would probably
Yeah, that
do a
might
lot
be.
to scare away the deer.
Yeah. Maybe that's the reason.
Yeah. There should be enough to eat around. I think when Gary runs the hay equipment too, they don't really like that usually.
Yeah. Whoa.
I always slow down here in case somebody's using the driveway. It's either a log or it's a deer laying down. I think it's a log. I think it was a log. I don't think I see it right now. No, that's what I was looking at.